Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I'll tell you how to refund on AliExpress. Go to AliExpress on your phone and enter your account at the bottom side of your screen and go to My Orders section. Now we want to select a item, order that you want to get your refund for. Simply tap on it to open its details, and it should look like this. So it's order details page. So what you want to do is open a dispute. So find this button, open dispute, and press it, and this will redirect you to open dispute page. So now you should fill in this form, and you should pick, first of all, you should pick one option. If you want to get your refund only, in case when you want to keep your item and partially get your money back, or you should select second option, refund and return item, in case when you want to send your item back and get full refund for that item. Then you should select a dispute reason. Simply tap this arrow and you will get a list of reasons. So simply pick just one. Then you should enter refund amount. So enter full refund amount if your item didn't arrive at all, or for example partial amount if your item arrived but it is damaged, wrong or fake, etc. And here in this box you should explain why you're requesting your refund. So explain it in details, and also you should upload some evidence. So upload some pictures, videos, maybe screenshots, chats, whatever that will prove your request. And do not forget to submit it by pressing this submit button. And then all you have to do is just wait for seller's further actions. So that's basically it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.